Thank you, Your Honor. My name's Uhuru Kenyatta.
To attend or not to attend, the dilemma that President Uhuru Kenyatta faces after the ICC trial chambers order that he appears in person at The Hague next month for the status conference. The three-judge bench handling his case insists his presence in court was critical.
Pursuant to the summons to appear, accused persons have to be present whensoever they are requested to do so by the judges.
But sources indicate that the president may not travel to The Hague for next month's status conference that has been convened to deliberate on prosecutor Fatou Bensouda's claim that Kenyatta was using his executive position to block her access to vital evidence that could be used to prove the crimes against humanity charges preferred against him.
I'm Stephen Kay of Queen's Counsel representing Mr. Uhuru Kenyatta.
Sources indicate that the president's defense team is likely to make a formal application for his attendance of the status conference through a video link.
Whether or not the accused person through the lawyers will request appearance via video link is entirely for the judges to determine. But at this stage, as we speak, we have not seen any indication that they have requested for a video link.
Should the judges reject his application, Kenyatta will have no option but to avail himself at The Hague next month. But what if he defies the trial chamber's directive?
If the accused person does not respond to the request, the order of the judges to be present, it is for the judges to determine the next line of action, what the consequences will be for not responding positively to the order of the judges.
The consequences include the judges issuing a warrant of arrest against him. This will make him a pariah head of state, like his Sudan counterpart Omar al-Bashir.
We cannot preempt the outcome of the judge's decision, nor can we already suggest that he will not appear.
The trial chamber's order has already taken a political dimension.
President Uhuru Kenyatta will have to decide whether to comply with the ICC trial chamber's directive for his personal attendance in court next month during the status conference, and though the Jubilee coalition leaders are urging him to defy the directive, the ball is firmly in the president's court.
We cannot allow the sovereignty of this country to be played about with, especially when there is absolutely no evidence. We are therefore calling on the ICC and the international partners to leave our president alone.
Politics is not part of what happens in the courtroom. Completely, it cannot influence the outcome of the judge's decisions.
Bensouda has sought an indefinite adjournment of the case to enable her seek more evidence to sustain the trial.
Any reasonable person can only come to one conclusion: that the prosecutor either lacks the capacity for a proper investigation or is on a fishing expedition.
Attorney General Professor Githu Muigai will represent the government during the 7th October status conference that will precede a session that the president is required to attend the following day. Francis Gachuri, Monday Special.